Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today this will be a step-by-step tutorial. I will be showing you how I achieve the Barbie swirl ponytail. First you want to start with a good detangle and blow dry. After you've done your blow dry, you're going to go through and you're going to flat iron the hair. This is not a silk press. We are just trying to get the hair straight enough for us to comb through and get it into the ponytail. Once you have your hair into the desired ponytail, into the correct placement, either high, mid, or low, you're going to start your molding process. I like to start my molding process from the back. So you're going to take whatever spray you use, whatever holding spray, either spritz, gots to be, your gel, your pomade, whatever you use. I like to start from the back of the hair. Once your ponytail is molded, you're going to braid your ponytail down, and then you're going to take your wrap strip and you're going to wrap it around your ponytail. You always want to protect the natural hair with the wrap strip. Okay, I get tongue tied. Wrap strip. Then you want to add the rubber bands to the braid itself with the wrap around it. You want to secure the wrap onto the ponytail. Once that is secured, you want to go ahead and get your hair bundle and you want to start wrapping your hair from the bottom to the top. Once you've wrapped your ponytail completely, you want to take a piece from the back of the ponytail and you want to pull it out because that's the part you're going to wrap around the base of the ponytail. Next, you're going to start curling the hair. I like to use my big flat iron, not my 1-inch flat iron, but my bigger flat iron. You can use a 1-inch flat iron. Sometimes I use my bigger flat iron. It just depends on how long the hair is. Next, we're going to start curling the hair. These are going to be big barrel curls. But when you're doing these curls, all the curls are going to be the same and you're going to form them into one curl. Once we're complete with our Barbie swirl, I like to go back around and do my baby hairs. Now I'm just adding the finishing touches to my ponytail. Thanks for watching. Bye.